Yeah.
Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining today's live session. We are live again, as always. Uh, okay, just let me set up. Sorry, guys, just stay with me. Actually, I'm just setting up. I hope you guys can see me right now. If things are going right way, maybe. Is it live? Yeah, it's working fine. Okay, so yes. Thank you so much for being a part of today's live session. So before we start our live session, I prefer I always uh, just mention that crypto market is always it's a very volatile market. Be safe, guys. Do your own research. Don't follow my trades. Uh, yeah, and moreover, okay, just set up another thing. Strong. Okay, I hope you guys can see my screen now. Yes, in the better way. Let me just set up. Uh, okay, just hold on, guys. Let me set up the screen. So that's the way I can show you. Okay, so yeah, so what's going on in the market? Of course, it was very unexpected. We were expecting like uh, just in the start of New Year, there would be some big moves in the market, but it's not good. It's not happening, and BTC is just hovering around to its like previous positions, maybe for more than 20 days now, which is actually a good sign for short-term scalpers, but you know it's a part of it, and we should be very careful while. Okay, so stop scrolling. Uh, okay, let me just set up another thing. No, not this. Okay, so guys, what I always suggest you guys always just try to do the trade. If you are new to crypto, just try to use very small amount of capital, like maybe 1 or 2% of your capital to open any position. And if you are new to futures, especially in futures market, it's very volatile. You need to be very, very careful while selecting the coin and taking the position, whether if it's long or if it's short position. So always just be very careful while opening the position. And moreover, let me just uh, mention you that just set your target you want to achieve. Like if you always, and just keep following that. Moreover, just if you are not following the your pattern, so one day you will definitely get liquidity. Hello, brother. Thank you so much for being online again. It's nice to see you again, as always. So yesterday's trade went well. The trade we were stuck in, and I have just shared that in WhatsApp channel as well. If you are in that channel, so I have just shared. Actually, I will share the losses as well for sure. There is one trade which is stuck from last 3 days, and I don't want that trade to go on the wrong side. But I have a very good hope for that. But I don't know what's going on with that. Maybe it will come, but it's not at that mark now where I will close it on manual. So maybe I'll close that manually, but or I will set up my uh, stop loss there, but not yet actually. And we'll see if everything goes right, then we can surely get some of the profit from that. Today the market is up. Uh, yeah, yeah, I that's right. Actually, I just wanted to close the trade actually. I just wanted to close the session, so that's why I just closed it. And well, it went well. Mm, I have no regret. Still, we have made some profit. So what we need is we need just small profits instead of, what just happening here. Okay, getting messages. Okay, so what is it now? Oh, so what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to hunt a short position maybe today. I don't know if I can grab that opportunity, but let's see if I will show you screen. Just let me set up my screen. So uh okay, I hope you on YouTube I think you can see the screen. Yeah, okay. So what we are going to do is we are just going to do a little bit back test. Let me show you the screen. My screen. Mm, let me flip the camera. Okay. Okay. I have got the bigger screen. So I'm just going to. I hope the view is clear now. I hope so. This needs charging. Okay. You did long. Which one? This one? We are just. Let me check. So our. Oh, okay. Sweet. Okay. So did it went well? Is it in profit still now or not? I just want to open the short position from here. Actually, it's already on the higher side if we see the 1 day time frame. So it's not on the higher side, but if that's the 1 day time frame if you see. So in the 1 day time frame, yes, we can open the short position if we see the RSI still it's not in favor for now, but maybe but if we do a little bit backtest, see the movement. So there are good chances for this one to come down a little bit, but if we see the 15 minutes time frame, okay. I always just I don't know why I do. Oh, okay, okay. Okay. Wish you best of luck. Uh, I hope you get some profit in that. Okay. What's going on here? Why that I am getting some internet issues. Why is it always happening with me? What's going on? Just check. Okay, so before we start doing trading, let's talk about today's updates. What's going on in the. All right. So yes, let's start with BTC as always. So BTC is just at the neck of 90,000 mark. So mm, I think that will hold steady. It's steady like on 91,000. So maybe there is a strong support after like the 2025 volatility. So maybe there are good chances for this one to go up, but uh, you know, uh, we cannot, we can just judge the market seeing the behavior of the market, but if some big events happening in the market, we cannot control that. So yes, that's the part of it. And Ethereum is 3100 is like trading just near to 3100, so it's like lagging the BTC slightly. And moreover, Sol, yes, let's not forget to talk about Sol. So it's already just 1% positive today. 137 was the mark, and market size is 3.1 trillion. So it's increasing day by day. So it's a good chance. Sorry, you are not getting any audio. Why not? Uh, are you are you are you getting? Hello? Can you hear now? Mm, I don't know what is happening. Maybe I have just changed the internet settings. I have just shifted my Wi-Fi maybe. Can you listen me clearly now? I hope you can hear me now. Yes, Asad, brother, I am live on TikTok as well. So yes. Sorry, I just checked your message. You can just click on the link. There is a link in description and bio. You can follow the TikTok channel from there as well. I don't know why it's. Can you hear me now clearly? I hope I wish you can. Oh, okay, perfect. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, there might be. Actually, I have been facing this issue. I am just trying to use it since like 2 hours now. I don't know what's just happening. I have paid that just few days back, and okay. Okay. TikTok. Let me check. Let me check. Yeah, there's a lag. I don't know. I'm just not getting it. I hope it's working fine now. Just let me know, brother. If it's working fine, then I can continue my discussion. Let me just refresh the page as well if it's working fine. Yes, it's working. It seems like it's working fine. and I hope everything is going good. Uh, yeah, seems like it's working fine now. I hope. Yeah, okay, thank you, thank you. Perfect, thank you. I think that was the issue with the internet, maybe. So, what do you suggest for this pair actually? As far as I understand, as you open a short position 2 days back, so that went well actually. But I have a good feeling for this one. Maybe I opened a short position. I think you were there when I opened a short position and made just $50 in this trade as well yesterday. Well, we can open the short position again from here. Let's talk about the RSI. It's in favor on the 1 minute, but we need to do scalping for the short term. 5 minutes is 62. 15 minutes is like 60, and 1 hour is also above the benchmark. So yes, we can open the. And if we see the 1 day time frame, it's also in the favor. What do you think? Truth? Should we open the short position from that? Truth, yeah, truth. Actually, let's talk about this. Yeah, it's in good shape, but we let's see this indicator. What does it says? If it says where things going on the right. Okay, so weak high is not a good sign. But for short-term scalping, yes, we can open a position for a quick profit, but we cannot make like big amount. But yes, it's a good sign, I think. If we follow this indicator, see, this is just showing that it's going up maybe. And so what do you think? Should we open the short position from here? I don't think so. Uh, see, let's see the 15 minutes time frame for this one. That's the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so it's already on the. Yes, sure, we can do that. Sure, we can do that. If we see the 15 minutes time frame is good, there are chances for this one. We can open the short position. If we see the 1 hour time frame, it's also in good shape. So yes, there are good chances to make a quick profit from this trade. Okay, let's check if we can grab this opportunity. And I think this is the right time to open the short position. But I'm not going to open it with like big margin, so let's open it with like very small margin, maybe if, with $100. What do you think? Let's do that on market. And okay, I have just opened the short position with using 25x leverage, which is not recommended. Don't follow, don't take big leverages from the market. Always be safe, guys. And that's what I always suggest. And because the bigger the margin, the bigger leverages you are using, more liquidity is near, so you can just get liquidated very quickly. So I don't recommend you guys if you have like small margin, small capital, just be safe and always set your goal like how much money you just want to make in a trade. So yes. So my TP should be if we can just take, yeah, that's achievable actually. If we can keep it continue maybe for a long period of time, maybe for an hour, maybe for 30-50 minutes maybe. So yes, if everything goes according to trend, so yes, we can make some of profit. And I have just opened the position with just using not even 1% of my capital, because opening short position always just gives me panic. So I I try to keep open short positions on very like using low margins. So okay, so for now it's going on. Yeah, that's what I just. I'm not using EMA, but yes, following by the RSI, I just opened the short position. Let's see where does it takes us. Actually, if we see this one, this indicator is showing already weak high. So good chances to go up, but for sure, of course, it's not going to blow from here. Uh, at least it's just going to give us a $50 today for sure. There are good chances. If we do a little bit back test, see it came to this mark like multiple times, and it's not always like what I'm just saying, maybe, but yes, that's achievable actually. That's what I think actually. So let's see if we are getting something from this trade. Mm-hmm. Okay. Uh, so let's keep it this way, like, hmm. All right, that's totally achievable. I have a good feeling for this one. Opening short position is always just uh, very risky for me. But okay. All right. So we are in a position right now. Okay, let's keep it continue. Let's see the other pair. This one, let's talk about. Yeah, this one is also a very good. Well, let me show you the 15 minutes time frame. So yes, there are good chances for this one. We can make some profit from this trade, from this coin as well, because it's just hovering around to sideways, which is a good sign. But anything can be. Okay, so we can open the long position in this coin from 0.2040 is good range. I think so. 20, we cannot even draw the support right now because the moment. Let me check. So 24-hour lowest was 2007. So yes, we can open the long position, I think, from 2040. So let me set up the limit order 2040 from here, and let's not open with the big margin. Try to use 20x leverage and using, how much should I use? Let's say just $100. Opening the limit order, and yes, I have just opened a long position, and let's see if it goes right or wrong. So that's my limit order. It's on 2040, and if everything goes well, so yes. And this one is the other pair which we are already in position, and my TP is somewhere around here. One. Let me check. Oh, sorry. 1106. Okay, my TP is 1106. So which is somewhere around 1105. Yeah, it's very, very achievable. Maybe. Yeah, we have a good feeling for this one. Okay. Okay. Hmm. On the other hand, okay, I'm just going to uh what the hell is going on? Let me ask the internet guy. Let me send him the message. What's going on? I don't know what's just happening. I have just sent a message to the internet guy. Let's see what does he replies. Okay, I have just sent him message. I have his number. Okay, I hope everything goes well. Okay, so this is our trade, and let me. My TP is at this price somewhere around there. So I'm hoping for the best for this one. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so yes, I just got his reply. Everything seems fine, but I have just okay. Uh, Maybe there must be some issue on the internet side. Okay, so actually the indicator, this indicator where you talk SMC is, I must say it's a 50-50 thing, and it works. Uh, I must say it doesn't work well 100%, but on every time frame, I just find it the same. I have same like um, stance for that one. It seems like it's a good indicator in start, but not. Yeah, okay, okay, bro. Please go ahead. But I think there is it's not 100%. Of course, not even one indicator which is performing 100% well. But for this one, I think, what do you suggest? Like, what if you're using it already? What's your name? Fatin. Okay. So, so do you also do crypto or like what you do? I am just curious to understand this indicator more, but oh, okay, okay. So you also use this indicator. Actually, preferably, I try to use short terms. I try to do short term scalping. True Algo, no, I have never tried that. Let me check. Uh, what is that actually? True Algo should be the. two all go with the same S smart SMC? SMC two all go. Ah, okay, okay, okay. Ah, okay, okay. So does it work well? And how expensive is that? Like, can you just tell me if things are working fine and we should pay and we can get, because most of free indicators just doesn't work like very well, and free for specifically for the free one, they give you a good indication, but most of the time it doesn't work very well. So yeah. Oh, okay, okay, great, great. So it's also the SMC or oh, okay, okay, that's expensive. And it's SMC or what is that like? How does it work? Okay, okay. I'm just going to grab this position, hopefully. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Perfect, perfect. All right. I will note it down. I have a list of few suggested indicators. Uh, we'll have a look on that as well. Sure. Okay, so how's your crypto going on? Like, gives it on then. Okay, okay, perfect. That's a good. Uh, okay. Yeah, of course. Even the paid one are not always like 100% perfect, but that's a good thing. Actually, my strategy is very basic strategy. I have been doing crypto like since 2017, but that was I just bought few in spot buying and started futures like 3 years back almost. And first 2 years were, of course, learning and painful. And since last year, I am in a good profit. My strategy, preferably use 1% of my capital and keep one because my capital has grown much. So try to use 1% of my capital and keep another 1% if something goes wrong. So to do the DCA, and if everything goes wrong, so I just close it on manually, or sometimes I set my stop loss at that mark. So losing 2%, actually losing 2% is my strategy, and gaining 1% every day, if we can do more than 1%, and try to use like minimum leverages from the market. So because I'm very slowly growing my portfolio, so my portfolio is now very big. So far, I have withdrawn a lot of money, but still, that's my basic strategy. And moreover, of course, uh, selecting the coin. Let me. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Um so and selecting the coin, opening only long positions, doing meme coins, which are already on the lower side of their prices. Sometimes I can take short positions. I take sometimes short positions, but mostly I prefer to open the long positions always, because meme coins, if something just clicked, and then you can just get, you can get a big profit in meme coins. They move very fast, and yeah, so that's my basic strategy actually. And of course there are charts and indicators and a lot, thousands of things, so which I prefer to use. Mostly I prefer to use RSI, because I prefer to do short-term scalping if something goes wrong. So you already know my strategy. Let's close it 2% of my portfolio. I am okay with that. So It happened with me like three, four times. Well, no, not three, four, maybe five, six times. Yeah, but still in a good shape and making good profits. So just try to grab 1%, 2% profit every day. Capital gain every day, actually. I'm actually trying to work on compounding. So I'm just compounding my capital. Just withdraw a very small amount of money, whatever I need. So that's what I do. So it's going very well for now. So that's why I just started. Okay, I was planning to go live and tell people this is basic things, because nobody, I have never seen anyone like sharing his strategy. I have seen a lot of influencers and crypto gurus, but nobody tells like this way. Like how much you need to use. Yeah, I have seen like people using like, okay, use this much capital, take this much profit. But there are people showing like thousands% of profits in a trade, and yeah, they can do it. Okay, let them do it. I don't fall for that now. When I started crypto, yeah, it was very like very catchy and very attractive at that time. And whenever I do like, I even I have seen one guy. He 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 always just open position with using 100x leverages from the market. And what he do is like he used just $1, $2 trade. So I don't know what was the mindset of that, but he doesn't tell, like he shows like, oh, I have gained like 1,000% profit and 1,500% profit in a trade. Oh wow, what a profit. So we always fall for that. We open position with using $100 and using 100x leverage. So it just went away like, you know, in the nick of time. One big wick and you are out from the market. So that's the strategy what I'm just following now. Uh, I'm just I'm just trying to be very safe and yeah, and accepting 2% of loss uh, every day. So yeah, if I can accept, if that's my strategy, and yeah, it's going very well now. So what's your like strategy and what you do, how you do that, and what's your positioning size? Okay, so just maybe we'll grab this opportunity. One trade is wrong, one trade is on break even. Let's see the truth here. Weak high again. So weak high is not a good sign. Let's see 5 minutes time frame. 5 minute time frame is not showing weak high. Oh, okay, okay. It was weak high at 116. Okay. But actually, if we see this one, mm, 5 minute time frame, we see the RSI in our favor for opening the short position. We already have opened the short position from here. Well, I'm not in favor of opening short positions, but okay. If we follow the RSI, so yes, my target is totally achievable. My TP is achievable, but it's not always what we say. It goes well every time, but if something goes wrong, it can take you down as well. So, well, that's a part of crypto and that's a part of beauty trading. So, okay, moreover, let me check what's just happening. Hmm. Okay, I am hoping good for this one. Maybe we can get something from this trade. There are good chances. If we see the 1 minute time frame, so yes, I have, and this one is just hovering around to my limit order. I have set up my limit order to this price, which is like maybe it can grab that opportunity. It can grab that position, but it's just moving like very sideways. So what we need to do is we can just grab. Mm, okay, so mm, so yeah, things are for this position. If we see this one is in the favor of, maybe it will get that position, and this, if we see the RSI of the 1 minute, it's not the good sign. If we see the 5 minutes time frame, so yes, there are good chances for this one to come to my TP at least. But of course, maybe it will take some time. And how much time? Maybe an hour, maybe, maybe not. Maybe take more time. Maybe just 1 week can give you that TP as well. So yeah, it happens. Mm, uh, so yes, let's see. What we are going to do is we have to just wait a little bit more for this one. Maybe things are on my phone just. Just remove the charging. Okay. So yes, we have a good feeling for this one. That if we see, if 1 minute time frame is not in favor, of course, but if we see, mm, okay, What's going on? Can you guys hear me? Actually, previously it was not working well. So one of our just forward just tell me that told me actually my he was unable to hear me properly. If everything is going good. Oh, what would we get? Okay, so we have got the position. This one. Oh, big wicks. And what about this one? Okay, this one is just yes. So we have opened two positions now, and both are just at break even. If we see, so one is just these big wicks always just okay. We are hoping for the best for this one. Opening the long position in this moment is quite risky, but okay. It's already yeah. Hello, hello. Okay, so what I'm going to do is we already have open two positions. So what we need to do is we will wait and see if both of positions went well. Actually, one of my position is short and the other one is on the long. So this is the long position. If we see this coin, and if we see this one is short. So both are going against the positions what I have just took. Okay, but hoping for the good. Always keep good hopes. So what is that? So sorry, what is what? Uh, you want to ask about pair or you want to ask about whole thing? What is it? Okay. Okay, sorry. So it's crypto like that's my live session. I perform live session every day, every weekdays doing crypto trading. Actually, it's crypto trading, futures trading. I don't know if you have an idea of that. Mm, yeah, thank you so much for your likes. So I am trading every day on live session on my real account, so you can have an idea. Yeah, hello, Bhuvan. Bhuvan. Uh, yes. So we are in this position right now. Maybe we can just. I'm from Pakistan, but I am residing in Thailand, Bangkok, since last 4 years now. So yeah, from Bangkok actually. How does it work? It's a very big question. So it works like many ways. Um, what you need to do if you want to start it, yes, first you need to understand what is it. So if it's a crypto and thank you so much for your following me and thank you so much for my being my follower. Okay, so let's start with scratch. Crypto. You if you have an idea of blockchain, crypto, if you don't have an idea, it's forex or uh, currently actually I'm just doing only crypto. I started doing gold, but not now. For now, actually not doing gold. Maybe in like few days I will start doing gold, not forex actually. So well, every platform, every trading thing has its own attraction. Currently, I'm using this app. Let me show you this Altbank app. So because there's an edge in of using this, you can link it with. You don't need to link it with TradingView. They have by default set up with the TradingView. So you can just set up indicators, multiple indicators, and you can draw things. You can draw support resistance very easily in this. So it's very easy to use actually. So that's what I'm using since last 1 year. So it's a very good. And if you want to register that, you can just click on the link in bio. So there is a link of this application as well. So that's my referral as well. You will be awarded 50 free USDT if you register with that. So it's win-win for you. So it's a good application. I'm using it and it's going good so far. Okay, so but trade is not going good so far. So trade is in negative, both of them. But yes, they will. Okay, so where should my TP would be? My TP should be somewhere around. That's very small TP. $30 at least we should make in this trade. So what my strategy is, I will do with the same amount of the money I have opened the position. Let's say, let's talk about this one. So I have opened the position with using $124, and with same amount of money, I will do the DCA. If the price goes wrong to -50%, -50% will be my DCA price. So that's the way I do that. Uh, no, bro, my strategy is to let it go. If it goes wrong, then I have not good I don't have good experience with stop loss, so it always hits and takes my everyday profit every day. So my appetite of losing money is 2% of my capital. So I try to open it to like very small percentage of my capital. Like this one is maybe not even 0.5% of my capital. So yeah. And my strategy, brother, is I use like 1%, preferably use 1% to open position and keep 1% to do DCA if thing goes wrong. Otherwise, if everything goes wrong, so I can set up my stop loss to 2% of my capital, whatever that would be. In this case, that would be maybe 600 something, but yeah. Okay, so there is a fall in this one, and Uh, another thing I should have to mention this again if you are new to this session. I choose those coins which are already on the lower side of their prices. So that's my strategy to choose a coin. And you can open the long positions. So opening long position on those coins, you still be in safe hands. So yeah, that's the way it works. And it's working well for me actually. Okay, let me check this one. Uh, okay. Okay, things are going against my trade, but let's see. Yes, we are in the state of actually, what is this pattern? What should we call that? The trap pattern. Let's see. Let's see about this one. Yes, this one is just coming down. Uh, on the 5 minutes time. Weak high is not a good sign, but Yes, I already knew this one. Uh, for specifically this one, if I took the trade following by the RSI, and it's going good so far. So far, maybe it's in negative. No, just $5 positive, $6 positive. But on the other hand, this one is on the negative side. What I will do is I will do DCA if it goes wrong to minus 50% of my of this trade. So that's my strategy, and most of the time it works very well. So yes. Mm, okay, so price moving up, and this one is just okay. What we need to do is we need to wait. Actually, I think yes, not think. We should wait. We don't have another choice. On the other hand, I can put my stop loss to my break even, but in that way, if stop loss hits, then I will not be able to get something from this trade. So I just want this one to go on the right direction. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay, here we are. TikTok. Uh, yes. Let me just open this one. Okay. $52. All right. So in this case, we are in we're just waiting for this one to give us TP. There are good chances for this one too, at least. But what my strategy is, I will just keep it uh, continue maybe for the long period of time, and we'll see if we can grab that option. Uh, So this seems like we are going to, let's do a little bit back test. Yes, surely it will fall down. Okay. Thank you so much for following me. I feel honored for people they start following me. Okay, so what's going on here is both of our trades are just one is in positive, this one is in positive side, the other one is a very little bit hovering around to my break even, but we are having a good hope for that one. Let's see where does it takes us. Okay, and mm, yes, these both trades they will take some time for sure. They will, and what we will do, we will wait. We will see if everything goes right or wrong. Maybe anything can be happen. It's a part of trading. And that's TikTok 15. All right. What's going on? Things are not in our good favor, but maybe it will take some time. I think you can this. Mm, okay, this seems well. And let's wait and see. let's talk about these two trades. We are in yes, yes, there are good chances for I have just checked on the other screen. Um, both will come to their because this trade, let's talk about this one. For this one is just already on the higher side of like today's mark. So there are good chances for at least give me my TP at least. So what that's my target is for from this trade. So maybe take two, three, four trades, but don't open multiple trades at once. Just try to open just one trade at once. So that's the way you can just understand. Yeah, thank you so much uh, for your like and love. Thank you. Okay, so that's what I am just talking about is just keep a very small amount of percentage in your cap opening a position, just maybe 1 or 2%. I prefer if you have a big portfolio, just try to open it with 1% of your capital. Don't use like multiple amount like 5x 5%, 10%. Strongly not recommended. If you have like big small capitals like $100, $200, $1,000, so then yes, you can use like 5% of your capital, but still not recommended. I preferably use suggest you to use like um 1 or 2% of the capital. So that's my strategies. And what we are going to do is okay. So these two trades. Let me just make it a little bit big for you guys. That's my TP. Actually, this is my TP, which is very achievable. Which is we have a good hope. I have a good hope for this one. That's totally achievable. If I would have set my TP, my stop loss at break even, so that would definitely going to hit. So yeah. So that's what we are just losing. We will lose the trade, but not money maybe. Okay. So on the other hand, let me check. Uh, all right. Both trades are just hovering around to break even, and we are mm, okay. So we have a good hope for both trades, but sometimes, uh, yeah, sometimes it take a little bit more time to get your TP, or maybe you can set up your stop loss at some mark. So yes, guys, if you are new to my channel, there's a link of this exchange as well. You guys can click on the link and register yourself. That's the way you will get a 50 free USDT as well as a welcome bonus, which is a good option to avail that opportunity. Uh, 9. Today is 9th. Okay. All right. What's going on here? Here is the thing, we have just seen our one of our trade is in a very bad shape from last 3 days. So I think I have to close that one in negative. Maybe it maybe it will take like 2 days of my profit, or maybe it can take 1 day of my profit. So that's where you decide how much uh, loss you can afford in 1 day or in a trade maybe. So that's all you need to do is just keep yourself like safe, guys. Just use 1% of your capital, 2% of your capital. Use very small leverages from the market. Don't use big leverages. Big leverages always takes you down very quickly. So if you are using very small leverage, so that's the way you can just protect at least yourself. So that's what I always suggest people. And moreover, we are just hoping for the best in both of these trades. Yes, it's totally achievable. But when I can get that, that's where we decide. I'm just checking another thing on the other screen. Okay, okay. All right. Yes, we are. See, guys, there is a rejection at that mark. So we will hopefully get something in this trade. Uh, Let me draw you a resistance line in this. So that's the resistance line here. Here it's getting a little bit resistance. And of course, there is no support. We cannot draw any confirmed support from this position. Just good. Walaikum assalam, brother. How are you doing? Good. Uh, yeah. So yes, we are both trades are on just break even, and let's see if we can get something from both of these trades. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Uh, you're welcome. Uh, so yes, what's going on here? Yes, there's a fight between buyers and sellers, maybe in this one. So both of our trades are just, brother, this one is truth. So I have opened two positions today. These two positions you can see if you can see. Yeah, this one and this one. That's truth and that's ARKM. I have long the ARKM from 0.2040, and this one I have done the short position, which is very risky. I am very scared of opening short position. You already know that. This one and this one is using 20x leverage. This one 25, which is strongly not recommended to any one of you guys. So let's see how much we can grab from this one. Yes, there are good chances. And one other trade is just stuck from like 3 days. Maybe I'm losing like maybe $300 in that. Well, I will share that as well in the group of my WhatsApp. So if you guys are in my WhatsApp channel, so if you are not, you can just click on the link in bio. So that's the way you can just join the WhatsApp channel as well. And yeah, we are hoping. I have set my TP to $50 in this trade, which is achievable actually. If we see the movement set, that's the way, that's the point I have just put my TP. I just don't want to open any other position for now. I'm not in the mood of opening any other position, maybe. Having big capital doesn't mean like you open multiple positions. Just try to make open one or two positions. If one goes wrong, so on the other hand, you can just make uh, the other position. Why it's not showing? Hmm. Edit. Mm, mhm. Okay. Yes, that's I preferably do that, but having big capital you can do anything, but it's strongly not recommended. Just try to be safe. Mm, mm. It's just moving up and down and giving me a little bit panic. I don't want to lose this trade. If I set my stop loss to my to sub resistance level, so how much I will lose then? Let me check. And if we see the top, so we can lose $22. But my strategy is not that. My strategy is to do DC instead of losing like following the stop loss every time. So that's what I do always. And mm,
Stop scrolling. Where is the crypto explained
okay.
in 60 seconds like you are 10 years old? Most money today is just developers online. Crypto is the same, but with one major difference, which is no bank. Instead of a bank keeping you
Okay, I have just made another video, posted another video on TikTok as well. Maybe you guys will see in shorts. Brother, actually, we have a very big amount of followers from Pakistan, so Telegram doesn't work very well in there. But I have an account on Telegram. I have mentioned that one in on YouTube as well, so you can follow me on Telegram. But I'm not actively managing that, So mostly I prefer to use WhatsApp. So WhatsApp can be available to anybody, most of them. So I think that's working very well. And brother, I have heard about like few people. Yes, no need to be afraid. It's just market. You can make some money, you can lose some money. Uh, as I'm losing these two trades, not losing actually, will take some. Basically, I think in Pakistan, I have heard like a lot of people just telling me that it doesn't work very well in Pakistan. So maybe, so yes, I have already, but yes, I can just consider that. Yes, brother. I am following like few of I started following few of them on Telegram. So, but I have seen like most people are not using it. But I can give it a try. I will start using that. Yes, but everybody is starting using VPN, but I can I already have one. I will send you the link of that in message as well. But I'm not actively managing it, but I still have that. I will send you its link. Mm, okay. Yeah, yeah, I understand. Previously, I had that channel, but there were not a big growth in that. So I accept the people's concern. Like a lot of people just started asking me, okay, please make WhatsApp channel. That would be very easy to access. Otherwise, VPN, they have to use VPN to. But actually, we should like understand the situation of people. So not everybody can use uh, Telegram. So WhatsApp, like they most of them they use every day. So Telegram is good option, but I already have one channel. I will send you the link of that as well, so you can just follow me on that as well. Okay, so what we are into now? Okay, so these two trades, um, I will wait till more 1 hour in these two trades, and I will close both of them if it's in the right shape or not, maybe. I just don't want to ruin my weekend, so I will close all of my trades and stay away from the market on weekends. That's my strategy. That's another part of my strategy as well. So that's the way I feel safe. At least I'm not into the market. If something goes right or wrong, still I'm in safe hands. Okay, if market goes up, market goes down, what's going on? Let it be. Hmm. Brother, same issue I have been facing. I think there is an issue with my internet. Well, it was working very fine. I don't know what's going on. Let me just check. I think I should have to change. Actually, I have just one internet connection that was working very fine. I don't know. Oh, yeah. Yep. One other our follower just also mentioned that the voice is just breaking and just stopping at some mark. Maybe. Okay, so yes, for these two trades, brother, I hope these two trade goes well. And then we will stay away from the market, preferably. Mm, yes, this is 1 minute chart. This is 1 minute time frame. Both of them. Let me show you the other trade. Uh, this is truth. If you see, it's making weak highs again and again. But my TP is very achievable. But of course, it's not gonna happen in near maybe 30 minutes or 1 hour. It will take some time. I already have set up my TP, and if I will not be able to close at my TP, I will set up my stop loss to somewhere. If my trade will be in positive, then I will set up my stop loss at break even. If it's on negative side, then I will close it manually and stay away from the market for the day to at least for 2 days, like weekends. So weekend should be for family and for relaxation, not every day. Not don't work every day. So that's my strategies. Yeah, previous Saturday I was live, Saturday, Sunday, because uh, like 3 4 days back were like continuous New Year's vacations were in there, so I did not work very well. So I just wanted to make a small community. So that's why I'm just more focused on that. Uh, Brother, enjoy with your friends. At least a weekend you should enjoy. If you are not working on weekends, you should enjoy your weekend. Sit somewhere and go and sit in the park, enjoy some views. And if you're single, you are lucky. If you are married, then of course family needs your time. So yeah, if you're single, that's a good thing for you. If you're young enough and have good money, just enjoy your life, do trading, do crypto, spend more time, you can spend money. Yes, you don't have responsibilities if you are like not taking care of anyone. So yes. Both of trades are very moving around my break even. I'm not making good money. This week was very like very, what should I say? Very slow. I was not expecting this. But okay, that's a part of it. Still I have made some money. Mhm. All right, right. Oh, okay. So you're so young. Okay, bro, make money as much as you can before your marriage and get married at the right age. So don't wait for long. I have seen people like they're struggling for making money. Okay, let's make some money, then we will get married. So, um, yeah, well, that's a part of your. Everybody has his own circumstances. So, mm, but getting married at good age should be like very, I must say, very necessary. So, yeah. Uh, okay. So for now, see these two coins are just hovering around at break even. I'm very much surprised. Uh, I got married at 33, so I feel like I'm late. I was the last one in my friends who got married. Uh, we seven of friends, and I was the last one. So I enjoyed my life more than all of them. But now I feel like my my first friend who got married, his son is like near to his shoulders. So and my kids are just crawling on the floor. So that's what I feel. Okay, well, okay, everybody has its own circumstances. If you can, you can do it right now. My friend, my first friend who got married, he married at 20 years of age. So that he was very young, and his kids are like now mm, college and university going. So yeah, his daughter is just going to, I think, college. So yeah, his son is in the high school. So it's it's the same. It's a good thing actually, if you get married at the right age. And my friend, of course, he's still young. He's at 40. So, and I always laugh with him. Okay, your kids looks like your younger sister and brother, so your younger siblings, and he always feels proud for that. And he says me like, okay, you will grow when you will grow old, your kids will be like your grandchildren. So, so well, that's how it is. Well, everybody has its own circumstances. If you have good circumstances, then get married. And if you are not, and you want to make money, then just do trading, make some money, and get married, and have something safe for your family as well. So just do it, but don't lose it. Just learn from others' experiences and mistakes. Don't do the same mistake you already know the people are doing. And when I have learned a lot from the other people's mistakes, so that's what you do. You should also just keep focusing on that. Okay, so these, if we see both trades, so if I close both of them, I will be on my break even, not gaining anything today. But let's keep it continue till the end of session. I think I should keep my session continue maybe 1 more hour. Hmm. Okay, 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 okay. Uh, I feel so bored sometimes. So crypto test your patience. That's why a lot of people losing it. I have seen a lot of people losing it. Uh, Truth. And oh, that's great. I feel honored if you can forward my channel link to your community as well, so we can grow together. That would be a great honor for me. Mm, this one, okay. I took the trade from, but it's not showing much movement. Oh, perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I will be so honored. And you can just let me know as well, so that you have gave me few followers. That's the way we grow, actually, I must say. If you get someone like you, uh, that's the way we can grow and just let the people, actually, the country we're from, mm, yes, sure, I will do that. Soul USDTC. Let me check. Soul. Where is it hovering around? Weak low, brother, weak low. What do you suggest? Uh, but if we see, let's see 1 day time frame, I think. Let's say 1 hour. For 1 hour, if we see, you see 1 hour time frame. You're talking about this one, is it? Okay. 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 Truth is not good. Okay, 15 minutes. Let's say. Uh, yeah, 15 minutes, yes. If we follow the RSI, I think it's a good opportunity to buy, but I'm not sure actually for this one. What do you suggest? Do you think we should take the long position from here? And what about one day? Let me see the one day time frame. Yes. Moving very, very like on the top side. Yes. Yeah, sure. I will send you after the session. Sure. Thank you. Thank you so much for being online. Okay, brother. I think this is just in between some at some. Yeah, for short-term scalping, yes, we can. Let's talk about 5 minutes time frame. See, the 5 minute time frame is also showing weak low, and what do you suggest? Yeah, yeah, it's you were just talking about at this mark. I just understand. Yes, that's right. Okay, let's see where does it goes. And on the other hand, this is going at my support at my resistance level. If it crosses that resistance, then I should have to worry about it. Okay. Mm, okay, okay. What's Oh, this is not good thing actually. This is not good sign. Let's see about this one. Truth is truth was true at the week high actually, and getting rejection from resistance, that's a good thing actually. But if getting support, then we should be worried. And what will we do? We will do like, you know, DCA just for once. If goes wrong, hmm, I have a very good hope for this one actually. This one is just going crazy. See the 1 hour time frame. If we see the 1 day time frame, so yes, for the broader aspect, if we see this one for the long term, so yes, we can just keep it for maybe like few days as well. So we can grab good profit in this one, opening the long position. See, it moves like that. All we need is just these kind of 5 to 10 candles, which is for sure not going to be happen. Um, well, let's see. Mhm. Okay. Mm, oh, soul. Oh, just close this one. Oh wow. Wow, wow. Yeah, you were right. You were right. We could have like take that long position. Oh wow, what a pump. What a pump. What a pump. We can open short position from here. What do you think? Oh wow. That's a good thing actually. We can open the short position from here actually if we follow the RSA. What do you think? I think we should no let it go for now. Let's not take the risk. But yes. Yeah, yeah, it's too early. Yeah, that's what I'm just talking about. It's too early to open any kind of position. It's like we should wait like 2, 3, 4 minutes more to see the moment. If it goes up, then yes. So did you take this position or you missed it? Just like me. I was not actually. Oh, it's moving up. RSI is 95. Good, good. Hmm. You see, its previous trend is just like that. Uh, this is a pushback and just falling down a little bit, and then push back again, pull back again. Okay, 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 okay. So yeah, one thing you can do in all right. So I think we are going to okay, let's see the trade what we are into already. Oh wow. I think there would be a movement in BTC. So that's why it's moving. See this one also showing a good pump at least. Wow. Let me see the movement of BTC. Did I miss it? BTC is just taking all of them up. So yeah, BTC just got like 3, 4, 5 green candles, big candles with the big volume actually. If we see the volume, yes, it had a good volume in the second last candle, yeah. And now there is no volume, so yes, BTC just pulled all of them up, most of them up actually. We see the truth. So previously this was in positive that amount, and now the other one is in positive, and this one is in negative. Well, 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 well. Let's see. Oh, what about our favorite coin, which we were just trading every day? It will go against it. Oh yeah, it's not moving much actually. You can see. Okay, so here is the support. It has a little bit support at this price. Hmm. I have a very good hope for this one actually. I'm not opening in any position with this one, but maybe. Yes. Let's. Um. Where is it going? Just come back to that. I think we should test another pair. No, maybe we'll do that on Monday. Not now. So this one is going good, good, good. just gave me small profit. And that's just $30 if it hits my TP. And yes, let's see if I can get there. Just okay, great. Let's see. And okay, so uh getting small amount of rejection, and maybe all right. We are going to see that if we can get this profit. Soul just moved up. Okay, I must say we can open the short position, but RSI still is just near to our favor, but not 100%. But it's better for us to get exact confirmation, and we'll see if things are on the right track. And truth has just passed the resistance level, which is not a good sign. You see, just hovering around to resistance level. So why is it just happening? It's just going on. Okay, we can just wait. On the other hand, I can close this. Okay, let's keep an eye on this trade. I just opened the trade like very with small amount of margin, so $124 with using 20x. So 20x is good actually. We should have get something. 208020545678. Okay, if we set up our TP to yes, surely it will go up. Maybe will take some time, and we can just wait and see what else we can do in this one. Hmm. Okay, let me check the other. Okay. Thank you so much for following. Okay, what's going on here? Yes, we can. Not now, actually. I think we should wait again, just like that, the previous option. But sign is still in the favor, but not going to open any position. Equal highs, and yeah. Oh, thank you so much. All right, what's going on here? What we are going to do is, okay, let's forget this one and just keep an eye on our trade This one is just on $14. Actually, I just want to make just $30 in this trade. Maybe take a little bit more time, you guys, if you guys can wait. I already have opened like two positions. I don't want to make another position. Don't want to open any other position now at least. This seems fine for now. Maybe, maybe not. What else we can do? Okay, okay. Did I get some messages? See, it's just moving up. It's moving in the right direction, but we are in need of. And let's see. Let's see if it just gives us. But there could be a bit rejection from this mark as well. See, this moment that can be a rejection point for that period of time, short period of time. Uh, thank you so much for following me, Awadanama. I don't know how to pronounce that. Okay. Moreover, what do you think? What do you think? I think, yeah, that's what I'm just talking about. There is a rejection at this price, and if it crosses this mark, then for sure that it will hit my TP, and or maybe not. See, that's the rejection what I'm just talking about. See, 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 it's just falling down again. Yeah, so it's just facing rejection at this price, at this mark. And what we are going to do is we can just wait and see. Mhm. Mm, oh, what a rejection. Uh, well, okay, that's a part of it. That's what I was just mentioning that there is a rejection at this price and it just got it. Mm, okay, we are hoping for the best. Yes, sorry. Mhm. Okay, I never tried that. Well, let me check. Uh, set TP. Let me check if we can. Okay, so fixed amount, trigger, price, dust, increase, percentage. I think this is fixed amount, all positions, TP. Let me check. Well, that's the moment, brother. Actually, I preferably not uh, uh doing. I have never done trailing stop loss. Well, that's a good thing actually, to protect yourself, but it always hits very well, very quickly. So I think, yeah, that's the trailing stop loss. If you click on the position on this mark, here is TP and SL. So you just click on that. So there is an option that I think that's called regular limit trigger price for the TP or SL, and the same. So they're just offer just they just have one option. So you can just set the percentage over there, just like if you see, this is the option. Increase or decrease TP or percentage. You can set the percentage and trigger price as well. So same goes with stop loss, decrease or some percentage. That's a percentage. So that's the trailing stop loss, I think. I'm sure it is. So yeah, I preferably not don't use like trailing stop loss. It's a good thing, but that's the way it always hits very quickly. So the money you made can just goes away quickly. Mm, okay, so let me check. There is another coin I have just seen. Soul was, yeah, when I missed it. You see, but what do you think? We open a short position from here? I'm not sure. We can just give it a try. It's a good, but maybe it will to be too early to decide. Maybe. Mm, I think no. I think we should let it go. Maybe for now. Oh wow! You see, so Soul is just, yeah. RSI on 1 minute is 81, but if we see the let's see the 15 minute. So 15 minutes is 70. Yeah. Um, Still, like, there is a cushion in that. So, and if we see the 5 minutes, so it's on 84, 85. So no, yeah, that's why I just said earlier that. But if we follow the 5 minutes time frame, there is CHOCH, so that's a sign for opening the long position. But from here, I think we can take the risk, but it's the risk. That's what should we just avoid for now. Break of structure was there, and testing a little bit down. Maybe, maybe not. And what is it going on here? Something just happened. Oh, wow. I have hit my TP in this one. ARKM. Okay. It just gave me $31. Okay. Finally. Yeah, BTC's dominance is moving everything up. So, okay, $30. Okay, not bad. Not that good. How much it should be, but I opened the position with using just $100, $125. So on top of that, so technically I have made 25% of that trade. So okay, good. Okay, not bad. On the other hand, you see, the truth same on same side. It's just stuck, and because BTC is just catching everything and just pulling everything up. Oh, see, it's just falling down. It's just falling down. So that means BTC is, let me check on the other. Oh, see, wow. What a pump and dump. Oh, see, wow. We can open the long position again. Let's talk about this one, the previous one. Where is it? Yes, this one. See the movement. We can open the, no, not now actually. That will be too hurry to open the position, but okay, okay, 30 is good, not bad. So yes, okay, let's close this one. What a moment! Just see. Sometimes you witness very funny things in market. Yeah, big drop. Yeah, BTC is just, there must be something big happen in the market is not which has not came to my eyes now. I will share something big. Let me check Twitter. Twitter is very fast. X is very fast moving for the news and doesn't seems like something big just happened. Let me check what's happening. What's happening? Hmm. No, that's not a big news. No, that's not a big news. No, that's not a big news. Okay, maybe something will come up in some minutes, maybe. What? Uh, Nothing big in the market. Okay, there's a movement, maybe someone's money from here to there. So, okay. Guys, if you are just new to my channel, please subscribe my channel as well. There's a link in description in bio. You can click on that to join my community. We have WhatsApp community, we have TikTok and YouTube and yeah, there's a link as well. The exchange I'm using, you can click on that and enjoy 50 free USDT if you can get it. Bro, did you get yeah. That's right, that's right. I have just checked X, but there was nothing big going on in the market. But see the movement, see the movement. It's a funny thing actually. Well, might be there's something not came up to my site. So yeah, it's a part of it. What we can do is we can, yeah, BTC is just pumping. I don't know why, getting a pushback. Oh, there was a meeting, but it's not now. It should be, it will be done like maybe on 15th here. I think, yeah, 15 on 15 of this month. Okay, so market is not for short positions. My short position is stuck, but I have earlier mentioned that I am already scared of short positions. Well, no worries. We are Okay, 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 okay. See the moment. Not opening any short position. I'm not in favor of opening any short position. No, no, not now. The market is calling open short position. Do a scalping to do short position, but I'm not doing it. Let's see, let's see. Yeah, not doing it. No, 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 not now at least. See, RSA is in good favor if we see. Yeah, Soul is moving crazily. Wow, what a crazy bump. But that was a weak high. Oh, I don't know what to do here. Well, I'm always scared of these kind of moments. I just try to keep myself away from the market. I always try to I prefer to stay away from the market. Okay, it's moving up. It's a good thing. RKM. But my other position, this one, truth, is also stuck. So yeah, that's not a good thing. But I don't know. I just wanted to close that one earlier, but okay, no worries. We have made some we can give back. Yeah, you mentioned me, but I was just having a look on the other side, but yeah. Okay, no worries. These are the opportunities we can avail again, anytime, anywhere, in any position, any coin, maybe. Can you see that? Okay. Mm, 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 mm. I don't know. Let's talk about this one. Yeah, a big dip, big fall. What I need is, and but it will not come to my TP for now. Doesn't feel like. I have a feeling I should have to close this position. I'm very scared of opening short positions. I don't know why. It's my nightmare always. But what can we do? We can close this position at break even. I think I should have to. I should close this one on break even. Okay, let's wait and see if it crosses that mark. What about this one? Oh yes, this one. How can we forget again this one? There is not a big movement is this one. I don't know what's just this coin is waiting for. Oh yeah, there is another one. There is not much volume in this one always. I think we should have to remove this one. Okay, it's not our favorite coin anymore. And this one, that's the position I'm already stuck in very badly. What do you think? It's negative 300. Should we close it or just keep it? I will close maybe. Uh, Book a loss of $300 and 300 I have made $300 in 2 days. So that's technically I'm not making any money in 3 days. Okay, no worries. Instead of losing all of your capital, just give something back, the money you made from the market. So yes, that's the part of it. What we can do is we can just wait and see and watch the things, funny things actually. Hmm. Yeah, I think it's not on that. Yeah, I have just checked that one as well. It's not on Binance. Yeah. Well, these kind of exchanges gives you like great opportunities, and just like I have took the great opportunity and got stuck. Well, no worries. We will get something at least back. Maybe I will close that on minus 200, or this is the sign. Let's talk about. See the 1 minute movement. 1 minute movement gives, but it's just because of BTC movement. So BTC, if BTC will go like 100K, maybe it will go a little bit to my break even if it follows the trend of BTC. So yeah, and yes, what's going on here? And nothing big in the market. And rock. Let's talk about. Is this coming to my break even? It just came and touched my break even. Just uh let me check. Trump. Trump Trump will go way more up someday maybe. Just moving the same way the other coins are moving, I think. Uh, Trump has a very good potential. Of course, they are just leading the market, and it's on the name, and he owns it. He accepts that, so maybe. You see 1 hour time frame. Mm, on the 1 hour time frame, you see this kind of candle are just very scary. But it went to four. Let me check 1 day time frame. So that's the easy. Sorry, 1 week, not 1 week. 1 day. Uh, that's these are the coins actually. I always say that maybe I will start doing it maybe in future, maybe like in few days. I will try to invest like $100 in each these kind of coins and add a liquidity of same amount. So and use like maybe 5x or 10x and open like long positions of all like maybe 10 15 coins. So when the bull run comes up of the or altcoins dominance increasing, then everything will be high in the fly. I help everything will high fly. So of course, but you see this, you see the 1 day time frame moving very steadily. And I think for let's talk about 5 minute time frame. Yes, 5 minutes time frame. You see, I don't know, brother. Um, What's your opinion? You say short is good. Uh, yes, okay. Yes, we can take short position, but but we should have to close that very quickly. Maybe in nick of time we can go on the wrong side. I already mentioned that I'm very scared of opening short positions. So see, this short position is hovering around my break even. I just want to close this one actually, but okay, let's wait and see if things are on the right side. See the other position. I feel bad for that position actually. Let's do that. I don't want to see that. Okay, okay. So this one has come up to my break even at least. I just want to close this position. If I would have put my stop loss at this mark, then it will definitely going to hit that position. Thank you, RAK, for following my page. Uh, I feel honored. Moreover, yes, let's see for this one. If everything goes good, then we can, if we can make some. My phone is just heating up. I don't know why. Okay. Okay, so this position is, oh wow. See, that's what I was just hoping to get. And I just want to close this position. I don't have good feeling for this one. But maybe it will give me, see, it's on $30 positive. Uh, that gives me panic sometime. See, see the movement, see the movement, see the movement, see this candle. This is the candle I was just talking about. These two, three, four candles can give you like good profit. But yes, there was a rejection at support level, at resistance level. That's what it faced, and it's just going to give me, just hit my TP and I will be out. Or I can close my trade right now. Should I close my trade? I don't know. If I put my stop loss at my break even, then I'm losing. Actually, I'm not making any money, not losing anything, but still not making anything. But I just want to see. Okay, let's keep it continue. What will, what worst can happen? It will go wrong. Okay, we will do DCA and Trump. Yes, everything can be. I don't know. Um, I don't know. Did you open any position? No. You still. Uh, did you miss this one as well? Sometimes we discuss things and we just miss that because we are not sure about these positions. I just want this position to hit my TP. So, so, so you missed both of position while cooking and eating. Okay. We will get for sure. Okay, well, don't do hurry. Just take the good profit in a position if you can get. And what else we can do? Okay, so things are going. Uh, See the moment. If one big pump comes up here, then I will go in the negative again. But I don't want to go negative. I am $26 now on the positive side, but yeah, let's see. Yeah, you both were perfect. Yeah, that's right. I was not actually just following both. I am just looking at my favorite meme coins. That's what I'm doing. Soul is a very good project. Maybe I will buy some for future, for not future trading, for future purpose maybe. We can, but for the right time, waiting for the right time, waiting for the BTC to come to at least $70,000. Then I will buy. Then I will buy most of like top coins in spot. So maybe top 10. So which uh so I will not regret. See, just I'm regretting right now. I could have take $30, But see, now it's $15. I'm not taking it anymore. I, I will wait again. Okay, so okay, no worries. Let's okay, let it be. Maybe we can get it at some mark or air came. Where does it move? Oh, it's just moving along that position. 205, 206. Okay, let me check another thing. Okay, okay. Things are. Let me check another thing. Okay, create. Uh, uh, Thank you so much for following me. Canocoyan. I don't know how to pronounce that. Okay, so see, these are the good options to open short positions, maybe, but I'm not in favor of opening short position. I always mention that. And let's talk about positions. Okay, so what's going on here? We are just going to see truth. Oh, just went back. Okay. Maybe sometime it will come, maybe. Okay. No, bro. Same. I feel so dumb while using a lot of indicators. Uh, I have checked like multiple of them. Even my one of my cousin brother, he always just mentioned, okay, bro, here's the pattern, like this pattern and that pattern. And I always talk, okay, bro, let's forget the pattern. Just take the trend and just do small scalping, take small amount of profit and stays away from the market. Whatever market goes anywhere, just take small amount of profit instead of losing anything. Yeah, just like that. So yeah, same. I am also like very scared of following like there are like thousands of trends, thousands of like indicators. So I'm also, yeah, same for me. If you see like they are drawing different lines and everywhere, okay, that's the support. So here's the breakout, here's the, and it always doesn't work well. So what I think is, so I always just set up very simple setup. Okay, I just try to understand support and resistance. That's a major thing to understand. Okay, from here the coin is getting rejection, and from here the coin is getting support. So that's actually we should understand. RSA is good thing. You can just have a look. So all two, three, four indicators are good enough for if you use EMA and MA is it's good. But majorly I'm not using it. So it's totally depends upon you how you take the profit from the. I'm not using much indicator and I have made good money. So okay, so let's see. We can get something. Okay, so things are, let me check. Uh, I think we should close over this trade. I It will go a bit long. Trend, volume, price, action, supply and demand. Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's right. That's what I always follow. Just see the trend. Just see RSI price action. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Supply and demand you can judge from like support and resistance, and you can see the volume as well. So yeah, volume is like bit like complex for me, but but try to understand. Okay, here's the volume or not. So basic strategy is just open long positions on small coins which are already on the lower side. I am happy with that. I have made a lot. Everybody can make. If I can make like every pro trader, and I don't know they're making or not, but yeah, that's easy. Level Sports. Thank you so much for following my live session and me. Okay, so uh, okay. What do you think? I think to we should close our trade here. I don't know. It seems nice. Hmm. See, bro, Trump is going back up. Don't open any position, short position specifically. I was confused about this. There was no big movement. RSA is in favor. Yes, you can open short from here. Can, but not sure. Uh, See the 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, yeah. Let it run for like maybe a few minutes, maybe an hour. After an hour, you can decide where it's moving. Moreover, let's see this one. If we see 5 minutes, okay, 1 minute time frame, it's just getting rejection again and again and again. 162 week low. Okay, I want to open a long position in this one, but I don't know, from somewhere around, let me check 5 minutes. It's not at the right mark right now. Uh, no, I will wait for this one. Now weekend is here. I'm not going to open any position. Try to avoid weekends actually. Enjoy your time with, you know, with your family, friends, or if you're alone and just go away, stay away from the market and go outside, enjoy your weekend. That's what I always try to encourage people. Don't trade every day. Don't trade every day. Don't trade on weekends. Don't just keep looking on charts. They're very scary or they're very attractive. They will attract you. Okay, let's open the position. Don't do that. I have been these traps in for 2 years and made a lot and lost all of them. So yeah, that's the attraction of this market. Just keep your share take it away from the market and just close everything. Okay, so that's the H, and we will talk about ARKM. Yes. Mm, okay. All right. So this one is also going up. I will grab that opportunity again from like on the downside if it comes to that price. Don't do hurry. It's not the right time to open any position in this one specifically. So what we need to do is we can just wait. Okay, 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 okay. Mm, Walaikum salam, brother. How are you doing? Good. I hope you're good. So, yes. Okay, sorry. Getting some messages on WhatsApp. So, okay. Great, great. Okay, okay. Yes. Mm, this one, let's let it go for now. Our trade is in progress for this one. $15 positive now. I think I think we'll close this trade by the end of session, hopefully within 30 minutes, wherever it would be. I was not expecting this. You see the moment if we do a little bit back test for this one. So it wasn't moving that way. You see, it was coming up and down and up and down. So I just took the trade, short trade. I was expecting that one to come down a little bit. It will come to to my like TP, but I don't know how much time it will take. Um, it's too early to say. Okay, 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 okay. So what do you think? Let me check. Canon, okay, so you trade every day 24/7. Don't trade like that way. Okay, well, if you're making money, that's good for you. Uh, Pole or Sol? Actually, I have just seen the Sol actually. Pole, we can check. Okay, if there is something like that. Pole USDT. You're talking about this one. Spot. Let's see. This one. Okay. Wow. It's a good it's a good movement. We see let us see. Oh, okay. I don't know how you are awake. Okay, it's good for you if you are making good money. Uh, wow, that's a good. See oh wow, it's just moving up and up. So you might have opened the long position in this one. So, oh, what about one day? Let's see one day. So yeah, these these kind of coins I always just mention if you grab the bottom of these coins and have open any position, love like long position, so they can give you good amount. Okay, that's a good thing actually. Let's see. Oh, okay. It's if we follow this indicator, it shows like weak high, so maybe it will not give you an opportunity right now, maybe to open the short position, but there is a strong low you can see. That's a 5 minutes time frame. For scalping, it's very good, I must say. But if I will do trade this one, this pair, maybe I will take long position. But from where? That's too early to say. So did you made some money in this one? That's the 5 minutes time frame. It's a good movement actually. It's totally bullish. Hmm. Hmm. See, the break of structure is just showing again and again and again and again and again. And there is no change of character, or very less change of character on downside, but majorly on the upside. Let's see the 4 hours. Yes, let's see. Let me check. Yes, RSI is 77. Yeah, it's good. Good for. So how you will decide like what's the other parameter? RSI, okay, I understand. But if we see the previous RSI was like 12 hours back, it was also on the higher side. So how do you decide to open the short position in this one specifically? Yeah, you see, it happened to be like overbought on most of the times, but still it's just moving up. So what's the other parameter do you use for this one? You see, it's showing the weak high, so that's why I'm scared of opening any short position still. Maybe it will go more up. My phone is just heating up. Previous high to lowest point. Okay. 0.86. Then, okay. Okay, well, maybe. You're right. Please let me know if you open any position in this one and you can just tell me the results of that. What did I get? Oh, finally I have hit my TP. Thanks God. We just made another $50. Finally, this trade went well again. So both of trades went well again. You guys can see. So just made $80. Okay. Yeah, thank you. So we have just made $80. Okay, good enough. Not much, as much I was expecting today, but okay. Opening short from here was the right decision, but see, it took a lot of time, like almost 2 hours to close the position. Mm, Now I will open long position, but not from here actually. Maybe from a little bit on the higher side. Yeah, thank you. Uh, but I majorly like see the RSI and see the momentum. If the momentum is just moving and see the moment, yeah, there are two, three basic parameters. So I just keep doing trading. I have just opened two positions today. One went on $30 and this one is for $50. Okay, good enough. Not making even 1%, but okay for me, I think. So yes. Uh, okay, I think Zeus and yeah, this position, this pair is just giving me another opportunity to open long position. I just missed it. Okay, I can set my. Let me check 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is scary. Like maybe it can fall down a little bit, but still we can open the long position from. I can set my limit order to at 2028, 202, 2030. Yeah, seems like fine. What do you think, like Karnan? What do you think? So how to pronounce actually? I cannot say if it's your complete name. What do you think? Where should we open? Actually, I just don't want to open any position now. Weekend is here. I don't. uh, Two positions are enough. Okay. Let's talk about okay. Uh, yeah, my previous trade went well actually. If you see that, it's let me check. Yeah, so what's going on in the market? I have not seen anything on Twitter for now. Maybe some major big news is coming up and never went through my site. Truth. Not 4 hour. Let's do 15 minutes. Okay. Yes. I think if I will open the long position again, I will wait for this one to come to about 108 maybe at least. What do you think? Not from here actually. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So this weekend is like very could be the turning point of the market. What we were discussing earlier yesterday. Maybe if BTC stays above 90,000, so next mark would be 100K maybe in near future. And of course, it's if it's closes below that, so it's the sign for bearish trap maybe, or bearish trend. What can we say? Okay, so for 15 minutes, let's see. See, it's just falling down maybe a little bit more. My entry would have to be somewhere around 108 at least. 108, yeah. Not from here actually. Yeah, we can take, but we will get stuck just like mm, we were stuck in like for 2 hours. Well, trade went well. Still, we have made some profit. But okay, let me set up my order from 1075, 1007. Okay, I'm going to use just $100 to open the long position at 105 at the price of 1075. So that's my limit order, which is the lowest of like, yeah, okay, that's just on top of the support. Actually, it's the support level for now. I'm just going to take the position limit order from there. Maybe it can go well, but not sure. So our both of positions just went well. There were no big. So seems like everything is going good so far. We have just made small amount of profit, and let's. I think session is now a bit long. We should close our session in 5 minutes, maybe. It will be like 3 hours. So if you guys have any question, just connect with me. Like you can just send me message on TikTok. So I would love to respond to you on that. As well as guys, if you are new, so click on the link in bio. So that's the way you can join all of my communities, like on WhatsApp, as well as TikTok, YouTube, and there is a link of this application, that the platform I'm using. So you guys can click on that and register yourself. So that's the way you can enjoy doing trading. So I use this platform because trading this one is using TradingView for the charts. So it's linked with that. So that's easy to use, and you can draw and have a real time look on the market prices. So that's the beauty of this platform specifically. There are multiple, whatever you're using it. Just if you are new to crypto, just do start doing on demo trades. This video was just for information and entertainment purposes, not for financial advice, not for, I'm not financial expert. I'm just like you guys if you are new. So I'm also new in crypto. So but just started making some money, uh, covered up my all of my losses and took a lot of profit and made a lot of profit now. So that's why I just started doing streams. So just start, if you are new, just start with just 1% of your capital, whatever the amount you have. Just try to make 1% of your portfolio every day. Just gradually compound your capital slowly and steadily, instead of like making it double in a trade or in a day. So that's the wrong approach. I have been through like 2 years, so I don't want anybody to go through this pain. Actually, that's very painful thing. When you lose, you feel very bad. And so that, yeah, that's it. So maybe, yeah, you're right. Uh, I don't know what is happening. Maybe something is wrong. I will check from my end as well. So yes, if you guys have any question, you guys can ask me in the comment section as well. You guys can contact me. Uh, just write me the message. And moreover, yeah, I have just got an email from this company that they are just organizing a competition of traders. So if you want to be a part of it, just let me know. Just start doing trading stuff. See, brother, that's what I'm just talking about. I'm just talking about this one. Uh, the I will take the long position from support. Uh, but actually, I don't want to take any position anymore because the weekend is here. I don't want to spend my weekend on that. Oh, what's just going on? Back online. I have just got notification. I'm back online. Maybe, yeah, I have been facing the issue of internet. So, okay, let's close this session. It's been so, I think 3 hours now. My phone is also very heated up. So, oh my God, 2 minutes. Just sorry, brother. Okay, my bad. Okay, so that's what I was just talking about. I have just limit my order to the support. So yeah, maybe I will grab that opportunity. The short position went well. We have made just $50. Okay, that's not much, but enough for today. Okay. So Aditya, thank you so much for your likes. Thank you so much for being so kind. Okay, so that's the platform we are using. You guys just click on the link in description in bio, can register on that and enjoy free discounts, free vouchers are there. So you don't need to put your real money in. Instead of that, you can avoid, also avail the bonus upon registration. So that's the bonus you can use and to do trading and trading futures. And with the profit on top of that, you can just withdraw in your accounts as well. So yeah. So that's all for today. So yeah. So see, I have just set up my limit. Okay, so try, guys. Moreover, I would suggest you guys to avoid weekends to do trading. Just stay away from the market. Enjoy your days with your enjoy your weekends with your family, friends, whatever your circle is. Instead of doing trading every time, every all the day and all the month and all the week. So just spend some time with your family if you are in good shape. So yeah. So yeah, that's all for today, I think. Yeah, we have made a very small profit today, okay, but better than losing anything. So that's what we need, and we need to just grab very small amount of profit from the market every day. Compound your capital, use just 1% on every trade, 1 to 2%, and set your goal and just if you achieve that goal every day, just stay away from the market is very catchy, market is very attractive, it will attract you again and again, but don't fall for that. I have been through very bad time, just falling for the market every time, so that's not the right thing to do. So always be safe, guys. I'm here for your support, for your help. If you need any help, if you need any support, if you need any assistance, if you need any information, so we will just be a part of your team. We are a team. We will grow our community slowly and steadily, hopefully, and try to grab small amount of profits every day. So yeah, uh, that's all for today, I think. Uh, See you guys on Monday, hopefully. Uh, Hope you guys will be with me. And all right, guys, thank you so much. Take care, everybody. See you guys. Okay, okay, bro. Thank you. Bye bye.